Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it is Christmas time and I have brought back the red backdrop, which was a hit. So in today's video, as you can see, it is something really creative. I have a gingerbread man on my forehead and I don't know if you can notice, he's kind of eaten. Like, can you tell that we took a piece of him? We didn't want him to be on the entire face. So this look is in collaboration with a lot of beautiful ladies that you have seen on my channel regularly. I'm going to be showing you their gingerbread looks right about now. So it's going to be sliding through the screen. Now I tried to do something different from everybody else's look, and boy, I wanted to do like a whole full face gingerbread man, but then I also wanted to do the eyes. So without further ado, if you want to see how I created this gingerbread man look, stay tuned. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to comment down below. So I'm using my Colourpop black and brown precision pencil. I use it all the time on this channel because I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm going to draw my brows super fast, normal, nothing different about that. And then we'll get straight into the other look. I'm gonna use my eyebrows as like a base for where the arms will be, but I'm gonna start drawing a gingerbread man. Bring it down to form a little neck, and then what do you guys think? Looks like a gingerbread man? Okay, so that's what I'm going to do for now. I'm not going to do anything here because I'm not yet sure, and I'll need to use concealer on my lid. So let's just work with the forehead. Let's do some eyes, then a nose, and then the mouth will be red. I think I have something red that I can use to draw, or I'll use lipstick. But I'm also thinking of maybe making it look like the gingerbread has been eaten. That would be cool, right? As is. So for the body of the gingerbread man, I think I'm just going to go back into the same concealer I used and then set it with this brown from the Juvia Place Zulu palette. Let me put this here. Let me see how dark it is. I think it's okay, yeah. So to make sure I get a really white base, I'm gonna take, everywhere I'm gonna put white, I'm gonna take my micellar water and a cotton bud and clean up that place. So the first place I want to put white is the eyes. So I'm just gonna dip this side into micellar water. Then I'm gonna go into my Maroon Clown White paste. It won't show on camera. It's pure white. I'm gonna go in with this like pointed brush, and I'm gonna do like, oh, I don't think I should. I think I should just use that. So let me just use the same or another Q-tip to make like lines on the hand, and then put white stripes too. Now I'm gonna be using a lipstick. This lipstick is like super matte. I'm gonna put it on this pointed brush that I used to do like detailing and all. Now for the buttons of the gingerbread man, I'm gonna use rhinestones for that. I think I deserve to use something else. And I think for the eye, like the black portion of the eye, I'm gonna use rhinestones as well. I think that's pretty much it for the gingerbread man on my forehead. And then we'll do like something more creative here, showing it's been eaten. But let me just prime my face, put on my foundation, and then we'll go on to eye look. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I've completed the base off camera. This is what it is. I just used my Juvia Place foundation, my Colourpop concealer in shade 42, set it with Wet n Wild translucent powder, and now we're going to continue the look. So you know I said I wanted it to look like it was eaten, so I'm going to kind of like, because obviously the shoulders are here, so I'm going to kind of like bring it down like this and do like a jagged line to show it has been eaten. So going back into the same pencil, I'm just going to extend, and then I'm going to, using the same shadow that I used for the body, I'm going to just fill it in there, and then we'll think about what we're going to do for the eyes. There you have it, my gingerbread man is done. So for the eyes, I'm going to do something really simple. Blend it in and then use like a brown shade and then go over with something shimmery. So I'm literally just using the same brown and I'm packing it over on my lid. Then I'll use a fluffy brush to blend it out. So I'm using a fluffy brush to diffuse the line. So taking this shimmer color from the Zulu palette, yeah, it's like, it shimmers between a gold and a pink. I'm just gonna take the other side of the flat brush and place it on. Now if it doesn't give me more shimmers, I'm gonna go into something else to create more of a shimmery look just on the eyelid. Because I wanted to give it like that frosty type of look. So I got these pack of rhinestones from Amazon, and this has different colors in it. And I'm going to take the black for the center of the eye, and I'm going to take the red for the buttons. I'm going to do the first button. If it's too small, I'm going to do a red dot and then put it on top to give it a bedazzled gingerbread type of look. So I'm gonna just use my normal eyeshadow glue to place it on. I don't know if I'm supposed to use something special. Red, so I'm gonna take the same red lipstick. So I have 3 dots. One is super close. I think I'm gonna put some red in between the white. So I did put some red in between the white. It's not really showing on camera what's going on. Now I'm gonna put the rhinestones quickly onto the red part. Maybe I should put it for the lips too. You know what, let's just go all out and put on the lips as well. Well, what is Christmas all about if not for glitters, rhinestones, shine, and so much more. And I just realized I should do something red on my eye. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go into the red from Jackie Aina's palette called Wigglies. I'm gonna go ahead and put this red on my lips without lining it first of all. If I feel like it's too, I'm gonna line it with a brown. So for my cheeks, I'm gonna use a bright red blush. I hope it shows well. Well, it's not showing well in the camera, but it is a bright red. You know, be very generous to the cheeks. Do you see that? Yeah, it shows off better on the skin than it does in the palette. And for the glow, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Mega Glow because this is shiny. See what I mean? It's so shiny. I'm gonna go back into the Glam Beauty by Nazi lipstick in the shade Passion, and yeah, I'm gonna line my lips first, then fill in here. And this right here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do love it. This red is my Christmas red for the entire Christmas season, so I feel like I'm gonna be reusing it and using it. I like how it came out and my son came to me and he did it like he tried to eat my forehead, so that means I kind of did a good job, right? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Do leave a comment for me in the comment section. What's your favorite part about Christmas? I want to know because I absolutely do love Christmas. And don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos, and I'll be leaving in the description box. And until next time, do remember that you can make a difference in your part of the world. You don't have to be super famous. Just be kind, be you, and other people will be rubbed off on your kindness. And that's how the world changes. So until next time, guys, I will see you. Merry Christmas.